So today we're going to check for the queen, see if there's signs of eggs, signs of larvae, or see the queen. We're going to add a new cell feeder. So we're going to start out.
What kind of feeder?
Cell feeder. It's a top feeder that goes on top instead of in front. And what that does is it helps to prevent.
So this
rotting.
bottle won't be here anymore?
So that bottle will not be there anymore.
Okay.
That will open up their entrance. Let's give them a little smoke. All right, check our beetle trap. I don't seem to see anything in there, so we'll just put it back in there. Probably hasn't been needed yet. Get my frame. This is to hold the extra frames. And again, we're going to try and get to the middle first so we can take a look and see. That's where the queen would be. These outer frames shouldn't have too much on them yet, if anything. This frame's still empty, so the queen's probably not going to be there. Pull this one away. This one's probably going to be empty as well. So let's set that down inside of here. Now we're going to start getting something, I believe. But again, the key is pulling the frames away before pulling them up, as to not roll any bees. This frame, again, has nothing on it yet. So they're not necessarily populating. All right, here I start to see where we're getting into stuff here. This side doesn't really have much on it, but this side here
Stop moving the frame, Kev.
has capped honey on the bottom, and then all different colored pollens